Afternoon, everybody. As you can see, we're at the scrap shack at home, turned into part storage shack, and we're going to tear apart a 61 jump start. Let's see what this has in it. I took the liberty of taking the 15 screws out of the back of it, so we don't have to sit there and watch all that. Whoa! Okay, I like that. Look at that for a little battery. That's quite impressive, actually. I was not expecting a battery that big in there. Huh. Yeah, what's holding you in, you bugger? Alright. So, what I do with me snips? There's me snips. Alright. Those snips are too small. Trying to do it the old-fashioned way. And well, not doing that way either. Alright. So we'll find an easy way to get this out. Let's see here. Got that screw, lots of screws, and that screw, and these two screws here. Alright, let's see if we can work our way through this. Oh, that is copper. Usually, these are not copper. Most of the time, they're aluminum nowadays. So that is a pleasant surprise. Where you at? There you is. God, that's quite a heavy battery for what it is. Look at that, what fell out of it. Huh. Okay. Let's see, plug your serial to jump start your vehicle through the starter or through the serialator. Well, accessory charger, I guess they call them these days. Since smoking is a terrible, terrible thing now. So we're going to continue taking all the screws out just to get rid of the plastic shell here. Come on, it'd be nice. There we go. See if this will lift out now. Yes, it will. Now, this thing's got a couple of screws. One, two, three, four, all right, a couple more screws. Well, looks like it I get to use my new set here, don't it? An extension. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Or how we're going to get in here, I should say. There we go. Yeah. Now we get to use the extension for the first time. Where is it at? Right down in here's one. Well, that wasn't very good, was it? Huh. Why this thing's not coming out, I don't know. It should be. Oh. That's why. We don't take those screws out yet. All right, we're getting her apart. It's always a project. Snip these wires here. There we go. That frees whatever this thing is. Oh, it's magnetic. Huh. And I see copper inside of it. Right down in there. You guys can see it or not. But there's copper in there too. So, we will release the copper. So the copper is down that little thing. Couple little clips on it, but it looks good. Figure that out another day. No idea what's in there. All right. So, woohoo! One more screw in here. That's stripped. So we're gonna have to do there is snip snip. There they are. How do they didn't go too far? Ain't nothing now they were fighting for. That's so too big. We get the smaller one here. It'll fit in the slots better. Go. Get that sucker out of there. A little circuit board of some kind. That ain't gonna come out. Take this thing out, see what it is. Like I wouldn't know when it's out. All I know is by looking at it, it's got copper and they were taken out of it. There's that. It's just trash or shred. Don't see any copper in there, but here's a piece of copper. So there is copper in that thing. And this, I'm pretty sure that's garbage. Yep. Trash. I'm surprised this battery's heavy. Sealed lead acid battery. Probably, God, I'd say 10 pounds. It's heavier than it looks. So we got these copper. Surprise there. So we do have copper in those. We'll strip them down. And I guess that's what's inside one of these. Not too much. That's it. I don't even know what that is, but that's got a, tell that's aluminum. So we're gonna save that. I'll take this off over here. Come on, you get it there. Oh, that's why. Here we go. Snip this off for now. I'll get it off later. There's a lot of copper in that. Little ring there holding that in. So yeah, we will process down quite a bit further. Clean that out because that's all cast aluminum. And that's about it. Took a bunch of cast aluminum, about a quarter-pound of cast aluminum. Definitely what we're going for. So that's done. That's garbage. Now I gotta pull all these noodles out here at some point this evening. Here's another piece of it. Garbage. Yeah, we don't have garbage cans, nothing here at the shack because it took everything in the city. Take this for this tomorrow because turn this in. That is brass. Solid brass. Nice chunk there, probably good 2 pounds of brass. That's a good $4 or $5. You can get that selling at a yard sale, so it's just for as much as scrap as it is being resold. We don't have to rate to sell it to your scrap yard. Alright guys, so we're gonna end the video with that, and we'll catch you all next one. You take care. And as always, remember to like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate the comments. I have over 250 subscribers, actually over 260 subscribers now. Thank you all, each and every one, for your contribution to the channel here, getting it going. Appreciate it so much. And y'all take care. And God bless y'all.